see your face and remember the year for $20.
Come, let's honor them, the three wise men.
This is my imitation Arsie, but she'll kill me for later.
Just a crocodile, capital C. An open ocean, just like a deep. Speaks very calmly, but carries a knife. Just to make sure that the naughty are nice. Why, mice, oh, rivers and slice. So when he tells you the thing that he hates, listen up, mates.